While LG's new AI-focused branding for the G7 ThinQ is bold, the company's approach to the overall design of the flagship is arguably more cautious than in years past. For one thing, just as many smartphone manufacturers are busy walling their gardens in the name of innovation, LG has made some notably pro-consumer choices with the G7. This includes keeping the headphone jack and launching Google Assistant through its new dedicated AI button, rather than a Bixby-style fully custom AI. Beyond these convenient features, LG has amped up its camera credentials with dual 16-megapixel rear shooters, one of which offers an f1.6 aperture, the other an f1.9 aperture. The camera boasts reduced wide-angle distortion, real-time bokeh effect, and improved low-light shooting, all of which proved accurate during our short trial time with the device. But the real crowning glory of the G7's camera is its AI. Wave the camera around with AI mode on, and you'll see words pop up guessing what's in view. Once it clocks its environment, it automatically adjusts the camera settings to that scene, a handy option for photography amateurs and one that worked well. Additionally, LG says the AI is all on device, which should assuage privacy fears. All this runs on an octa-core Snapdragon 845 chipset with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, backed by a 3000 mAh battery. As for display, after the screen burn-in criticism lobbed at the LG-produced Pixel 2 XL, LG has opted for a 6.1-inch 3120 by 1440 LCD display. It has a notch which invites criticism on the originality front, but adds software customizations that are unique. Not only can users turn off the notch, making it into a black bar, they can also change it to feature different customizable colors. Arriving at appearance and UI, we come to the weaker elements of this otherwise compelling handset. The G7 took an exceedingly staid approach to aesthetics. It features aluminum sides, a Gorilla Glass back, and slim bezels. Taken all together, it does little to stand out next to other flagships, lacking the flourishes that Samsung and Apple use to mark their products. But LG did make an innovative design choice internally with its Boombox Speaker. The company says it came up with a new way to use the inner space of the smartphone as a resonance chamber, allowing it to amplify sound several-fold over its competitors. Though we weren't offered a comparison, it was impressively loud but fairly low quality. The UI, meanwhile, is much the same as it has been for past LG premium handsets. There's still a disappointing lack of stock Android features integrated, and a fair amount of LG's own software competing for attention on the device. With a little customization though, this could certainly be one of the most polished and consumer-friendly LG smartphones to ever hit the market. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.